Genius. I am genius. Real quick points. Today we're going to discuss efficiency and effectiveness, taking control of our agenda, the best news, a personal best, and basically why I prefer air quality control when doing these broadcasts. So, we're going to start with the fact that I really, really, really prefer Ustream in terms of direct to audience broadcasting. But we can agree that it seems as if air quality control is more effective for reaching our broader base. And in that sense, we now have control over Ustream. We are bringing everything home as evidence. These are all personal bests. So, with that being said, I do not expect anything other than what is originally producing. And we have it all. So, that's a victory. That is a victory. And I'm now successful in litigation as well. Um, so, thank you to the Friedman law firm, Friedman and Friedman, which is allowing us to keep evidence of the most important factor, as I am the person speaking with you, baby mama, entitled. That's great. Um, the PU address is not the same as what I consider to be a address of the state of affairs. So, like a State of the Union, State of Affairs is a lot quicker. It moves a little quickly, and it is definitely more involved. I'm going to be honest with you. I personally see the game as very ugly. I also see the game as very beautiful. I'm going to start with the beautiful first. The beautiful is we all have an angle. Everyone with vision, sight, taste, sound, any of the senses is able to use their angle, and it's the same as a complete field vision. Field vision is probably one of the most crucial components of life. However, note very carefully that there is a lot more involved in it. So, the other side is that the game is very ugly because a convoluted angle can also be filled with something that you have yet to become aware of. Anything of that nature is potentially derailment to what we enjoy. That is ugly. That is so not what is expected. All right. So we're getting the subtext, okay? Evidence is now a crucial victory. And I was able to see how they are valuing it. So, okay, I'm not only getting that, but even if I give it away, it's only because I have to. So I have to basically get control of our agenda by setting values that make sense even publicly. Okay? And that's what I mean by giving public information away, is setting the value of evidence. All right? Now, it is definitely worth more. Definitely worth more. But I'm broadcasting on air all the time, always. Meaning, even in introduction number 2, I introduced the fact that this is a crucial part of our larger magical series. So, yes, you will see evidence of magic even in the video journalism series. We got to start thinking a little more holistically. Example, there's a man who is able to, in the middle of being pushed over the edge, create Stairway to Heaven. That's a very common trick. It's a very common um, device, also crucial survival method. We talked about how I literally followed the plan to be established God elect legally. Here's where I'm going to go ahead and assert that at this point, I have to really decide the proper methodology of salvation. And it is basically technique A. You have to not only meet, we're going to take what we know and survive. So now, updating the series. Brown people are very efficient. Brown people are very effective. Brown people have control over our agenda. When is it not an issue for those to interact if it is an issue? With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and go into the next video. Do the collection of important and vital evidence. One moment. final crucial note, effective can be at EK. So I think we kind of know what that implies. Um, and effective is definitely going to have to include EK. All right, you guys, I'm going to name this video Crucial Evidence, though we are aware it is all going up. As I already stated, everything will come up with and in copyright.gov or Mint due to the fact I am working on a very vital USA government collection.